Greetings, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 11th of September, 2024. For the general situation, a weak pressure gradient across the northwest Caribbean will continue to support light winds and a mostly stable weather pattern over the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Special warnings. A heat advisory is in effect for the Turks and Caicos Islands. The public is urged to keep hydrated, stay cool, and limit strenuous outdoor activities during peak sunshine hours. Today's forecast for all areas: partly sunny with isolated showers possible this afternoon, mostly fair with isolated showers possible tonight. Winds will be east to southeast at 5 to 10 knots and seas 2 to 4 feet over the ocean. Daytime high temperatures expected to rise to 92 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 108 Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature is expected to drop to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 6:55 p.m., the next high tide at 3:18 p.m., and the next low tide at 9:52 p.m. The extended forecast for the next 2 days: an approaching tropical wave is expected to move through the area Thursday and Friday and will slightly increase rain chances across the islands. Thursday's forecast: a very slight chance of showers in the morning. Partly cloudy with a high near 92. Chance of rain is 10%. A slight chance of showers at night. Partly cloudy with a low around 78. Chance of rain is 20%. New rainfall amounts of less than 1/10 of an inch. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots and seas 2 to 4 feet over the ocean. Forecast for Friday: isolated showers possible in the morning, then a very slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Partly sunny with a high near 91. Chance of rain is 10%. A slight chance of showers at night. Partly cloudy with a low around 78. Chance of rain is 20%. New rainfall amounts of less than 1/10 of an inch. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots and seas 2 to 4 feet over the ocean. For the tropical weather outlook: for active systems, at 11 a.m. today, we had Hurricane Francine located over the western Gulf of Mexico, a couple hundred miles off the coast of Louisiana, with maximum sustained winds of 90 miles per hour and moving toward the northeast near 13 miles per hour. There's 4 disturbances out in the Atlantic region. The first disturbance: showers and thunderstorms show signs of organization with a tropical wave located a few hundred miles to the west-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. A tropical depression is likely to form over the next few days as the system moves into the central tropical Atlantic. There is a high chance of tropical cyclone development through the next 48 hours. An elongated area of low pressure located over the central tropical Atlantic continues to produce some disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity. The disturbance is expected to reach an area of stronger upper-level winds on Thursday, likely ending its chances for development. The chance of formation through the next 7 days is low, 30%. Thirdly, there's a small but well-defined area of low pressure located several hundred miles to the east of the Leeward Islands and is producing an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. The chance of formation through the next 7 days is low, 10%. And then offshore the southeastern U.S. over the western Atlantic, in a few days, a non-tropical area of low pressure could form along a residual frontal boundary a few hundred miles off the southeastern U.S. coastline. There is a low chance of subtropical or tropical development through the next 7 days as the system meanders over the Gulf Stream or drifts slowly northward. And that is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 11th of September by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.